Well, it doesn't say how to check the tranny oil in the owner's manual.
Can Kitty come in the garage?
Yeah, I think so. I just gotta shut the doors. Oh, is that tight? Alright, let's see if I can get this loose. There she goes. I can smell oil. Can't see a level though. How do you even drain it if you were to drain it? I don't know. Alright, by sticking this wire in there, I was able to see that it's got oil in there, so I'll put the plug back in and should be good for now. Alright, I'm going to clean them up a little bit with the hose. Something back here. These have concrete or driveway stuff on them. Get that crap off of there. Wash it out in here. That's good. I don't need it super. Alright, good enough. She can air dry. Alright, I want to throw some stable in here. The usage is on the instructions of it. It's, what is it, 1 ounce per 2.5 gallons. So I just kind of estimate, I mean, I don't even know how much that holds. I just gave it like a third. It's a little strong, it's not the worst. So now I'm going to start it, and I'm going to kill the fuel down here and let it run out. I think it'll need choke. Don't want to quit, does it? Some people will say, oh, that hurts the engine to do that. It's like, well, have you ever run out of fuel before? So now I can just move it however I want. I don't know exactly where I'm going to put it. I do have a cover for it, so I'll show you when it's done. And here it is all cleaned up. I waxed it. I waxed the metal and then I put Armor All in the plastic. Oh, this Looks like it could be better. But it's pretty clean. There, I polished the front again. Now she's ready to go into storage and be covered up. And there it is, ready for hibernation. The only thing is with this cover, if you have to move it, it's not easy. Well, all you really have to do, I guess, is pull the bottom up off the tracks. Enough that you can pull the levers here. And you can move it, but well, you don't really want to move it when it's around the tracks like that. Other than that, the cover is pretty good though. Basically got that for free because I got my blower at Ace Hardware and they have the Ace rewards. So after buying the blower, I had quite a bit of pretty good coupons, so I got the whole thing for free.